Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming updates and that you have admin rights because Windows components need proper permissions. Open services by pressing Windows plus R, type services, MSC, and find Windows Search. Once there, right-click and restart the service to reinitialize the indexer. Make sure startup type is set to automatic, delayed start, so it comes back after reboots. This resets the running process. It often fixes temporary hangs by reloading configuration and releasing locked resources that prevent search. Next, rebuild the index to repair corrupted search data. Go to Control Panel or Settings, open Indexing Options, click Advanced and choose Rebuild. This can take minutes to hours depending on files. While rebuilding, run Settings System, troubleshoot other troubleshooters, and run Search and Indexing to auto-fix common errors. If results remain missing, use PowerShell as admin to re-register or reinstall the Windows Search package. This restores missing files and permissions. Make sure to let the rebuild finish before judging results. Finish by checking Task Manager. Confirm Search UI or Search app is running. End and restart it if frozen. Test Search in a new local user account to determine if your profile is corrupted. If Search works there, migrate data. If problems persist, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and then sfc/scano to repair system files. These commands fix damaged components underlying search. If none of that helps, a Windows repair install keeps files while restoring system components. If it fails, contact support with error details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.